a very happy, healthy, peaceful, long retired life, sir. God bless you. I know very well that you will not be able to keep quiet sitting in a place. Do whatever you can for the society. God bless you, ma'am and children, to live a very happy, long, inactive life. Happy retired life, sir. Thank you.
Warm wishes for Socrates sir. My and my husband's association with Socrates sir started in the year 1999. We worked together in JNV Koppal. He was vice principal there, but we could work with him only for a few months because after that he has been transferred to JNV Mudugal as the in-charge principal. I know him, though I know him for a few months, I learned that he is a man of very kind-hearted, soft-spoken, but at the same time very good orator. He is very humane and his qualities has won the heart of all the people who worked with him. And I feel strongly that in Navodayas, strong administrators will not be remembered forever. Only the people who can win the hearts of the colleagues will be remembered forever. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Have a prosperous and happy retired life.
Good morning, Socrates sir. We are extremely happy to meet you on your retirement. Though I haven't worked with you, not possible to work with you also because we are the same cadre. But since Madam is working here in Mangalore, I could have a very good association with you. I feel very happy because the way the school is being run here was a testimony to the way you have established the work ambience. So in your absence also the presence was felt. For any government employee, there are two innings. During the service is the first innings, but after retirement, second innings start. You have successfully completed your first innings. I am sure that with God's grace and His choices to blessings, you will successfully complete your second innings also. I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of each and every member of this JNV Mudipu family, extend a cartload of greetings, thanks to all the service that you have rendered to this institution as well as to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. So, thank you so much, sir, and all the best to you and your family. Thank you.
Hello sir, happy retired life sir.
Beloved Socrates sir and his family, other esteemed people gathered over there, a warm good morning to you all. Some people come into our lives and quickly go. Some stay for a while, leave footprints on our hearts, and we are never ever the same. Socrates sir is such a person who could make an imprint on our hearts from the moment we have got acquainted with him. His contributions as an administrator and principal have definitely benefited Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti a lot. Sir's gentle, calm, compassionate and amiable disposition has always attracted me a lot. Coupled with this, his humaneness and intelligent philosophical thoughts made me have a high regard for him always. It is very rare to see people possessing all these virtues together in their personality. In today's world, where selfish interests, money, and material prosperity are given preference in our lives, Sir is an exception. You cannot see such a down-to-earth personality like him anywhere else. Since he always gave an upper hand to the welfare of the staff and students in the JNVs he worked, he could contribute a lot in raising the institutions to greater heights during his tenure. I feel with Sir's retirement, a big void will be created in NVS. In fact, I had the luck to work with Sir for almost 9 years at JNV Mangalore, but my acquaintance with Sir started way back in 1994 when we attended training together as PGTs. Sir, as you move on into the next amazing chapter of your life, know that you will be missed. Know that our very best wishes and thoughts always go with you. Come and visit us often, for this is farewell and not goodbye. So until we meet again, may God fill your heart with gladness to cheer you, and may God hold you in the hollow of His hand today and all the days to follow. Wish you once again a peaceful and happy life ahead with God's care and blessings. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words in this farewell function. Thank you.
I am Basaraj PGT from JNV Kurnool. It is my pleasure to share my feelings about Sri G.J. Socrates, Principal JNV Bidar. He is going to retire on 30th September 2020. Both worked at JNV Koppal from 1993 to 2001. Sir family very close to my family, staying in the same block. During his service, Sir became a philosopher, director, counselor, administrator and good organizer in the NVS. Sir always very cool and cooperative with all. Sir should get retirement as AC, but several times refused to accept due to spouse. Sir did remarkable service at JNV Koppal, Raichur, Mangalore, Bidar and Northeastern states. I will pray the Lord Almighty to spend remaining journey with family members in good health and wealth. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata.
Good morning, Socrates sir. My missus and myself, we have worked with you almost a decade. During those periods, you have been a source of strength and inspiration for all the staff in this Vidyalaya. We assure you that we will remain grateful to you in this regard. Sir, you have been a model and an example in many respects during your tenure here. You proved that you have been a very good administrator, a very good teacher, and a spiritual guru. Above all, you proved that you are a very good human being. You have been very kind and generous in all your dealings with all the staff members. So we remember you and we keep all those your good qualities in our mind and we cherish it in our life. I take this occasion to wish you a happy retired life. May the Almighty God bless you with all the strength, and I know that you are quite healthy and even you are able to continue your career in some other institutions. I hope wherever you are, may the Almighty God bless you with the abundance of blessings and grace upon you. Thank you. All the best.
ಸಾಕ್ರೆಟಿಸ್ ಸರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿದ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀಶೈಲ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ JNV ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ JNV ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬ ಸರಳ ಸಜ್ಜನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಗಳನೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ತಾವು ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೆರೆತು ನಡೆಯುವ ಅವರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದದ್ದು. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಗೆ ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಪಡುವ ಸಮಯವೇ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ಎದುರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಶಾಂತತೆಯಿಂದ ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವ ಕಲೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ 23 ವರ್ಷದ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇವರಂತಹ ಸರಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವರು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅವರ ಸಹೋದರರ ಹಾಗೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ನಾನು ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಸಹ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈಕ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಬೈಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಎಂತಹ ಸರಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಯೋಗೇಶ, TGT ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, JNV ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾನು JNV ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಡಂಥ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಜ್ಜನ, ಸದ್ಗುಣಶೀಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳ ಜೀವಿಯಾದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ GJ ಸಾಕ್ರಟೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಕೇವಲ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮೆಂಟರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ವೆಲ್ ವಿಷರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದವರು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅನೇಕ ಕವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಥ ಗುಣಗಳು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. G ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, G ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ GJ ಸಾಕ್ರಟೀಸ್ ಸರ್. ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ನವೋದಯ ಸಮಿತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಿಲುಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸದಾ ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ. ಅವರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಂಥ ಸಹನಶೀಲತೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸಾಕ್ರಟೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ.
Principal Sir, Mr. GJ Sakratis Sir, JNV Bidar, and his vibrant team of the Vidyalaya. Good morning to all of you. I came to know that my beloved ex-principal of JNV South Canara is retiring from his official duties as principal from your Vidyalaya on 30th of this month. Sir, at this moment, let me reminisce my association with the most beloved principal sir in my whole career in JNV. Sir, you may be remembering me. For others' sake, let me introduce myself. Myself is Mr. Gangadharan Kotakal, PGT Biology, presently working at JNV, Kodagu, Karnataka. I still remember the day when I joined at JNV Mudippu, South Canara on 6th June 2006. The same day only our Sakrati sir also joined in the Vidyalaya. Before this itself, I have heard plenty about our sir. When I was working at JNV East Garo Hills, Meghalaya, that time sir was working in the neighboring Vidyalaya, Jaintia Hills in Meghalaya only. Now and every time I am of the opinion that I was a very lucky teacher to associate with this type of down-to-earth principal with whom I have worked for more than 10 years. As far as sir is concerned, I can say proudly that our principal sir is the best principal I have seen. Not a principal, he is actually the best human being which I confronted with in my surveys. If we require anything, just we will approach sir. He will always be ready with a smiling face. Whenever I meet him, sir will be first inquiring about my family. He is very much a family-minded person. I can say proudly that he is a good leader, a spirited leader. Naturally, all others will follow him in all the activities. I did not face any difficulty during that period when I worked in JNV Mudippu. I do remember one of the best qualities of our principal sir. He is a perfect nature lover. Wherever he worked, he has left his profound impression that you just see the present greenery developed in the campus. If any of you get any opportunity, please visit the JNV South Canada, Udipu, where sir worked, where this much greenery and other things are developed sheerly because of his interest only. Another thing which I should mention is that he considers each and everyone in the Vidyalaya as important. Not only the teaching and non-teaching stuff, but also the public and the parents also. The students were very unwilling to leave him when he got a transfer. All were in tears. And sir remembers almost everybody's name also. So I am in close association with sir's family also. I have a very good association with sir's wife and our staff nurse madam, Miss Reena madam. Good evening madam. And both of their children, Master Jorben and Miss Rogina also studied in our Vidyalaya only. Now they are in good position. Even after superannuation, I will always maintain a good relation with the sir's family. On this occasion, I extend a hearty wishes to Secretary Sir and his family for a prosperous, healthy, peaceful future life. And I wish all the best, and I pray Almighty to give him all the best wishes, all the best things. Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, this is Akash from JNVDK. I want to congratulate you on your wonderful career, sir. And along with that, I want to thank you for all the guidance you have given me. And through your guidance, you have turned me into a nature-loving person. And whichever hospital I go to work to, and I give you an example as the way you have transformed the JNV Dakshin Kannada. No one could imagine like the way it was before. Now whenever we visit, we are really proud for the way it has transformed itself into a lush greenery area. And once again, I thank you for everything, sir, whatever you have done for me. And again, congratulations, sir. I hope I get to meet you soon. Thank you.
Hello sir, this is Kirtish Ballar, a 4th batch student of JNV Mudipu and Jobban's classmate. I know that I haven't kept in touch and I apologize for that. The most memorable thing about you, sir, was your calm demeanor. The ease with which you carried yourself and the entire school was remarkable to see. I thank you for being my teacher, and I wish you the very best for the next phase of your life. Wish you a very peaceful and happy life.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಸಿಂಧು JNVDK ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಸಾಕ್ರೆಟಿಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಸುಂದರ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖವೇ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ಸದಾ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈಯುವಾಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೊಗಳುವಾಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಆರ್ಟ್, ನೇಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಜೀವನ ತುಂಬ ಸುಖಕರ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ.
Hello sir, vanakkam, nalla irukringla. So I'm very happy talking to you, and I want to personally thank you for a day when I was feeling very low and you called me, you made me sit, and you told me that it's okay to feel low and you'll get over it. And thank you for everything, sir, for being an amazing sweetest and caring teacher. No, thank you, and we all miss you, sir.
Hello sir, myself Sharad. Hope you remember me. JNV First Batch Mangalore. You have greatly inspired my life. So whenever I enter the school, whenever I see the greenery of the school, I just remember you. You were the person who transformed the desert look of our school into a forest look. So the whole credit goes to you. I wish you a happy retired life. Good luck.
Hi sir, happy superannuation day. Thank you for everything you did for us, and may you have a very peaceful life from this day onwards. Thank you very much.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಶುಭ ಕರಬಿ, ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮೂಡಿಪು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ 2ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಲಹೆಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗೋದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಗಣೇಶ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರಿ. ಅದಂತೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನವೋದಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅದರ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ಹಾಡುಗಾರರಾಗಿರೋದು ನಾನು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತೇನೆ. ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ಹಾಡುಗಾರರು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ತಮಿಳ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನಾವಿರುವಾಗ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದು ನೀವು ಹಾಡಿದಾಗಿನಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೇಳಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. மயக்கமா கலக்கமா மனதிலே குழப்பமா வாழ்க்கையில் நடக்கமா மயக்கமா கலக்கமா மனதிலே குழப்பமா வாழ்க்கையில் நடக்கமா. வாழ்க்கை என்றால் 1000 இருக்கும், வாசல் தோறும் வேதனை இருக்கும். வாழ்க்கை என்றால் 1000 இருக்கும், வாசல் தோறும் வேதனை இருக்கும். வந்த தந்தம் எதுவென்றாலும் வாடி நின்றால் ஓடுவதில்லை, வாடி நின்றால் ஓடுவதில்லை. எதையும் தாங்கும் இதயம் இருந்தால் இறுதி வரைக்கும் அமைதி இருக்கும். மயக்கமா கலக்கமா மனதிலே குழப்பமா வாழ்க்கையில் நடக்கமா. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಥರದ ಶಕ್ತಿನ ದೇವರು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಜೀವನ ತುಂಬ ಸುಖಕರವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಸರ್, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello, I am Manas Jain, first batch student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mudipu, Mangalore. Currently I am pursuing PhD in Aerospace Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. G.J. Socrates sir was our principal during main phase of learning in Navodaya days, that is 10th, +1 and +2. So I would like to express my gratitude for his endless patience, motivation and persistence. We, the alumni of JNV Mangalore, would express our sincere thanks for his continuous guidance in enriching our knowledge during his tenure at JNV Mudipu. We congratulate on your 35 plus years of vast teaching experience. Indeed, a great innings from a great teacher. And also wishing you all the best on your retirement and new phase in life. G.J. Socrates sir, you are not just a great teacher but a great leader too. Thank you.
Hello, Socrates sir. How are you? ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದೆ. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೀವು ಪುತ್ತೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಆದ್ರೂ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ, ಸಿಗ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿವೇ, ವಿ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸರ್.
Hello sir, Hope you are doing well. To start with, I would say that we are very lucky to have you as our principal for 4 years, while we were in school. And this is truth that Navodaya is losing a very precious principal when you retire. We have seen how much you have inspired us and affected us while we were at Navodaya, and you continue to be so while we even after we left the institution. And to tell personally, you've been a pillar of strength and inspiration throughout, and that has continued even in finding my life partner as well. Thank you for all the help, sir. I wish you good luck. I hope you get time and energy to explore all your interests during this time. Wish you good luck. Wish you a happy retired life, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾನು ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, 4th ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ JNVN. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಲುಮಿನಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ನವೋದಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಹಕಾರ ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಲುಮಿನಿ ಮೀಟು ನಾವು 4th ಬ್ಯಾಚಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಯಶಸ್ಸುಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಅಲುಮಿನಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲು ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಮೃದು ಸ್ವಭಾವದವರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುತುವರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ನವೋದಯ ಬೀದರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ 4th ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ JNV ಅಭಿನಂದಿತವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಹೀಗೆ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಆದಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ JNVN ನವೋದಯ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ಬದುಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಬು ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Hello everyone, I am Jorban, son of beloved principal sir. It gives me immense pleasure to talk to you all on Dad's retirement day. Daddy has served Navodaya for almost 3 decades. As a student and also as a son, I have seen him much concerned about the students and staff of Navodaya. His love and care for Navodaya never goes away. We used to see him even on holidays. He used to go and talk to students, moving around the dormitories, talking to staff, and his concern and love are really a great source of inspiration for every one of us. Daddy, I am blessed to be your son, and I wish you a happy post-retirement life. And I believe that even post-retirement you will be a blessing to everyone around. Sorry Daddy, I am not able to attend this function because of prevailing COVID situation. And I thank JNV Bidar for organizing such an amazing program. Thank you everyone.
Hello sir. Thank you for being the good and kind principal of our school. We appreciate that you get quality time to spend with your family.
Wishing you happy and new retired life, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Everything you have done for us. May every day of your life be fulfilled. No one say goodbye to teachers because You will forever in our heart. Once again, happy retired day, sir.
Sir, I wish you a happy, healthy and peaceful retirement, and you are truly an inspiration for me. Thank you, sir.
I wish you happy and healthy retired life, and I want to thank you for being a good principal to our school, and I also thank you for supporting us and inspiring us. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all honorable principals, sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we all know that our principals are farewell and retirement. I give great thank for our principals, sir, for providing love, care, and motivation and inspiring, providing over the year. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, sir. I am Bhumika of class 11th. As you are retiring on 30th September, entire school will feel very sad that you are retiring on that day. We will miss you so much. You are the best principal of our school. I want to thank you for your guidance and inspiring us for study. And you have told us about the importance of study. Thank you, sir.
Congrats, sir. This is start of your new adventure. Thank you for your wisdom and kindness for all these years. Enjoy your retirement. Retirement is a moment coming to a person, giving him a chance to relax and enjoy the life outside the office. Hope the same with you, sir. Wishing you a happy retirement and all the best for your new life.
Congratulations, sir. After many years of hard work and dedication to us, welcome to your newfound freedom. Enjoy it. Have a happy retirement.
Congratulations, sir. We wish you a fun and happy retirement. May this coming time bring lot of happiness to you. All the best to next phase of your life.
I wish that you are returning to the and that it will be congratulations, sir, and all the best for your new life.
Wishing a very happy retirement to you, sir. May your life be filled with joy and happiness, and wishing you good health and good luck for your future life.
I wish you a very happy retirement, sir, and all the best for your next phase of life.
Congratulations, sir, for your retirement. Thank you for giving us your precious time. I wish you a happy journey for your further life.
Sir, all your future dreams come true. Your life will be filled with happiness and joyful. All the best for your new life. Happy retirement. Happy retirement, sir. Wish you a good health. Now take time to do what makes you truly happy.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable and sincere service. Retirement is not an end, but rather a new beginning. So, congratulations, sir, for your new free life. Enjoy your new life with happiness and love. Thank you.
Retirement is not the end, it is the start to a new life. Happy retirement, sir.
The key of retirement is find the enjoyment in small things. Happy retirement, sir. Thank you.
First of all, happy retirement, sir. Retirement is all about embracing the new future and leaving the past behind. You will be always missed but never be forgotten. Thank you, sir.
Retirement is not the end of the road, but just a turn in the road. Thanks for all your care and support, sir. Wish you a healthy and happy future life.